Joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island, and you can visit us online at islandford.ca for more information and a full description of this vehicle. Today we're looking at a 2019 F-150 LARIAT in Velocity Blue with black leather interior, seating for 5, 4 doors, and a 5.5-foot box. It has a 3.5-liter V6 engine. It's a 4x4. It also has the FX4 off-road package, which includes skid plates. It has a technology package with a 360 split view camera. As well, you have the LARIAT Sport package, which includes body-colored grille and center console. It's really easy to get into this truck. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive, and you can book that online at islandford.ca. Speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. There's also memory for 3 drivers. The driver's seat is powered with lumbar. Your electronic parking brake is located here, power pedals, lighting controls, LED side view mirror spotlights. You have a power tilt and telescoping steering wheel, and with the help of your running board, you have a grab handle, makes it easier to get in. On the face of the steering wheel, you have your dash controls, cruise control, media with volume, and sync voice activated system. This is a push start, so my foot's on the brake, keys in the pocket, and we're going to push the engine start button. On your dash, any important messages will appear, and we can toggle through. So my view, trip fuel, truck info, towing, off-road, settings, and these all have sub-menus. In the center, you've got a little cubby, and you're seeing the B&O badging for your audio system. You have hill descent, traction control, hazard lights. There's your 360 view split camera, so you're seeing the different views as you push through, and toggle auto stop start for less idle time. And then on the touch screen, you can go into your audio and your sources, AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, as well as Bluetooth. You have your climate, and you'll see the dual climate control come up on the screen. As well, you have your navigation, and that'll come up with the map, and it's voice activated. And then you also have your backup camera view, so I've just put it in reverse so we can see that, and then back in to park. You can go into your settings. You can make changes there as well, automatic updates, Apple CarPlay. You can change the look of your display screen, and below that is volume and tuner, and there's your dual climate control, so you can touch it on the screen or you can touch it down here. You also have heated and cooled seats for both driver and passenger. There's your fan, AC and max AC, and front and rear defrost. In the little cubby, you're seeing a couple of USB outlets. You can just press in the center, it'll close right up. You have an automatic select shifter, and then there's drive mode, and as you press through, it'll appear on your dash: normal, tow haul, snow wet, eco, sport, and back around again. And then just at the front here, you're seeing your lane keeping. That's a little car in between the dotted lines, and as well park assist. There's a couple of cup holders, and the lights at the bottom, that's the ambient lighting. And your armrest opens up. There's a nice little bin in here. You can take that out. Lots of room down below, plus a 12 volt. And then you just close that. And by the way, this locks. Off to the side, there's a 12 volt and a 110. You also have a locking glove compartment. Up above, you have an auto dimming rear view mirror, universal garage door opener, lighting controls, sunglass holder. There's a power sliding window in the back. That's what that's for. And you have a twin panel moonroof, so you can actually slide this and power it open. And there's a separate button for the screen, so you can control light and air. And as well, there's a grab handle in the body on the side for the passenger, and that just helps them get in. Wheels, mud flaps, magnetic colored running board, body colored door handle with intelligent access. So when the key's in close proximity, you can lock and unlock the doors. Keyless entry keypad, driver's side capless, easy fuel gas filler. The body colored handle extends to the tailgate. The tailgate is lockable and removable. And you also have your backup camera just below the handle, backup sensors on your bumper, 4 and 7 pin connector, trailer hitch, and a locking spare tire. And then when you're ready to open up that tailgate, you can just double click your fob. It powers it down for you, and you've got this nice drop-in liner with tie downs in all 4 corners, as well as box link. And there's also a tailgate step, and that just makes it easier to get in. And then when you're ready, just close it up, lock it up, and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. And on your fob, you have remote start in the door, as well as power windows. There's seating for 3 in the back with a 60-40 split. You easily lift the seat up just by pulling the tab and then lift the seat. Gives you more room on the floor. And then to bring it back down, simply pull the tab again, give it a little push, and down it goes. There's anchors at the base to be able to tether baby seats. and an armrest with a couple of cup holders. On the floor, there's all-weather mats plus extra carpeted mats, slim pockets on the back of the front seat. And in the center, you have a couple of cup holders, 12-volt, 110, and USB outlets, as well as air vents on each side. And in the center, you're seeing those little red seats. That's the heated seats for back here. There's a grab handle in the body. Up above, hooks and lighting, that twin panel moonroof, and in the back, access to a power sliding window. Colored bumper, mud flaps, 5.5-foot box, privacy glass in the back windows with window vents, heated and powered side view mirrors with blind spot information system, automatic high beam headlights, halogen fog lights, tow hooks, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.